How to create an MSG box in Excel using macro. MSG box function in Excel macro is used to display a message box as shown below. This is easy. Just go to the Developer tab as the first step. If the Developer tab is not visible, go to Customize Quick Access Toolbar, More Commands and Customize Ribbon to activate the Developer tab. From Developer tab, go to Visual Basic, Insert tab and select Module. You will notice that an additional module has been created. Inside the module, let's create our macro name as sub my first message box and press enter. You will notice that nsub has been created automatically. Now it's time to put our message box. In between the subname and nsub, just type MSG box and then the message as my first message box inside quotation marks. Click on the Run Sub button to test or add a shape in the worksheet, right-click and assign macro. It serves as your button if you want to trigger your macro. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.